Techspan has supplied high-quality plastic welding and process heating systems for over 30 years. Techspan, innovative design and precision engineering for trouble-free plastic welding. This video outlines the basic steps of the hot air thermoplastic welding process. Almost all thermoplastics can be welded, and providing you follow a few fundamental steps, professional strong welds can be achieved. As with all forms of welding, good surface preparation will ensure successful welds. Emery paper, a sharp blade or a clean wire brush can be used. The Techspan plastic welder is fully self-contained, incorporating a built-in blower and electronic temperature control. All the necessary attachments can be supplied in kit form or purchased individually. Use the rotary burr to cut a V. For repair welding, drill a small hole at the end of the crack. Take care when using the rotary burr. Use adequate jigging and support. The accessory nozzles are an easy push fit on the welding tool. Carefully select the correct welding temperature using the guide provided. Prior to the main welding, a tacking nozzle is fitted to the welding tool. Once up to temperature, the tacking nozzle is run along the entire length of the area to be welded. Tacking should be carried out wherever you intend to place welding rod. Tacking provides a slight swaging of the two materials, and once complete, you are then ready for the main welding. As only like materials can be welded, correct welding rod selection is vital. Plastics identification can be carried out using the Techspan rod test kit. Set the correct welding temperature on the welding tool. The correct mating between the welding rod and the parent material occurs when the welding rod is seen to soften. A new rod is fed into the welding area. Welding should be complete in one continuous run along the length of the area to be welded. The pendulum welding technique is used for short welds, repairs, or when access is difficult. The standard pendulum welding nozzle is fitted, and a pendulum action provides correct even heating to both the welding rod and the parent material. The speed welding nozzle can be used for long weld runs. Welding rod is fed into the speed welding nozzle, with the operator applying approximately 2 to 3 kilos of downward pressure, sufficient to force the now softening welding rod into the weld area. Please ensure you read the tool operating instructions before use. Techspan supply a full range of plastic welding equipment and thermoplastic welding rods. Techspan also offers service and backup on all major brands. Techspan has supplied high-quality plastic welding and process heating systems for over 30 years. Techspan, innovative design and precision engineering for trouble-free plastic welding. This video outlines the basic steps of the hot air thermoplastic welding process. Almost all thermoplastics can be welded